13,000 USD here. This place 13,906 USD here. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online with your phone, just your Android phone. So if you have an Android phone and you only use it to watch video online without making money with it, you are losing a lot. So I'm going to show you how to make money with your Android phone. Since this is a phone, we are going to use a phone. The money is not going to be that big. Let's say maybe $600, $700, or to $1,000 a month. But for those of you that can really afford a computer, I think you can do a more long video to make thousands upward. And I'm going to show you how much I earn and how much I always receive monthly in this particular videos. So first thing, what you need in your life is an Android phone. You need Android phone, you need data, and your phone must to have camera. Yes, because I can advise you to go and download somebody video and then use it to make money. That is not good. First of all, let's go to Facebook and turn on professional mode. Yeah, we call it professional mode. You must be on professional mode to make money. You must be on professional mode, and you must be a content creator to make money. How to become a content creator is you must have 5 videos, and you must be on professional mode to post reel. When you post reel, you make money. So let's go to Facebook right now on my phone. This is Facebook, and let's go to my account, Comedian FK, and you see 3 dots at the right side. Just click on the 3 dots, then scroll down to turn on professional mode. Turn on professional mode here. Okay, and what you can see here is turn on professional mode. Add new tools to your profile so that you can view as a creator on Facebook. And secondly, get paid for your content. That if you are eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content. So that is it. Now let's turn it on. Let's turn it on like this. We'll wait a little, let it turn on. Okay, now professional mode is on. So let's go back now and check how to enable your bonus. That is reels bonus. Go back. When you go back, you see view tools at the right side corner there. View tools, this one that I'm touching right here. So click on view tools and scroll down to monetization. You see payout, but if you never set up yet, you don't need to go to payout. Let us first of all click on view tools. Then let's go down and click on monetization. This one I'm touching monetization. Then you see bonus. You can't touch bonus right now. You need to wait for like 2 days before you touch bonus. You see, and in-stream ad and subscriptions. You don't really need subscriptions, but bonus and in-stream ad. In-stream ad are for people who do long videos. When you post video, Facebook put ad at the middle or before the video play. That is in-stream ad. And bonuses are on reel. That is short video, one minute video that you are scrolling up. That is when they put the ad and then pay you for it. So we can't touch it right now, but let's go back and like me, I have already set up. So I'm supposed to know the end by now. So let's see how much I've been earning so far. This is payout. When you go back, just that top of monetization, you can see already as of today, no, this month, sorry, I've already recorded $3,627. Today is just 6. Oh sorry, 7. Today is 7, as you can see at the top of my phone, and I have a 3,627 USD already. But the problems of most of you are making is wait, let me show you this one first. As of last month entirely, you can see I was paid 13,000 USD here. This place 13,906 USD here. So The mistake you people are making is you receive your money in naira. No. When you want to set up, make sure you set up to receive your money in dollar, because I'm saying this from experience. When I set up my monetization and receive my money in naira, imagine you get 5,000 naira and the money now is in dollar, $5,000. Do you want to receive it in naira or dollar? Because when you receive this money in dollar, 5,000 naira, it will give you, let's go into calculator. 5,000 naira here is going to give you, let's go to calculator. Let's say dollar now is 730 naira as of today. 730 times 5,123. When you receive your money in dollar, $5,000 give you 3,650,000. But when you receive in naira, you receive 5,000 naira. So why are you setting up in naira? So during that setup, when your bonus begin click, I'm going to show you how you can set up in dollar, so that the money called in dollar, you withdraw dollar and then take it to a aboki to change. So I think that is it for now. And in other episode, as I said, tomorrow we are coming to set up the monetization and also show you how to create page for those of you who want to upload more than 3-minute videos. Okay, so for now, before I go, let me quickly tell you that fkfreetech will never ask anybody or request anything from you. Send us money, no. But there are a lot of people online asking people in the name of fkfreetech to send them code, send them money. That is not fkfreetech. I don't ask anybody for code, money, or anything. I already make money. I only teach you how to make money. I don't need your money. So feel free to share this video, and for some of you who want to follow me talk one-on-one, maybe you want to follow me talk, let's talk and we'll reply. You call the number on the screen or save the number and then WhatsApp. My website is also there. That is the site you are seeing on the screen. So we'll come back tomorrow and show you how to create your page, and then how to create a YouTube channel, because as you post the video on Reels, also put it on YouTube so that you can make money from the both of them. Unlike YouTube, now you need to download the YouTube Studio. This is YouTube Studio. What I'm touching here, this one, YouTube Studio. As you can see, this is YouTube Studio. Let's see what is there. When you go to YouTube Studio, look at the video I just posted 3 hours ago. Look at this place, 3 hours ago, 57 minutes, and it's now generating about $134, as you can see here, $134. So I think there are a lot of money online. This $134 now, if you receive it in naira, you receive 134 naira. So let it just be in dollar, so that it can be more bigger and huge amount of money. So that is it for now, and I already told you that fkfreetech will never ask you to send money, and we don't ask people for code. And if you want to follow me talk one-on-one, you go on my Mr. FK. There is a channel called Mr. FK where I do my live video every Saturday and Sunday, sometimes evening and sometimes afternoon. Let me show you the page. Search for Mr. FK, search for it. Here is the page. You come here, follow this page and talk to me one-on-one. So thank you very much for watching this video. Feel free to share. Please, our phone number on the page 09055544114 and fkfreetech@gmail.com. That's our official email. We don't have 2 phone number or 2 email address. So you can call me on the number and email us also on the same email. So thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you for watching. Feel free to share and follow the page. Thank you.